uqale futhi
mina ngibo ngifikela esikoleni ngizokwenza isikini ngakwazi ukudlala abanye uthisha ufundisile ufunda nje ukudisela useyakhona bamba ncane adlala isikini isikhalo wakala sakufunda nje major scale yeah makhodi a251 yeah I kafunde impela yeah
so Jonah, that's all that you have to say about the school.
Ngiyafunda esikoleni.
You are not a person okhuluma kakhulu, I understand that. And ngoba ngisho ukuthi yonke into esiyenza la ababukele emakhaya bayabona ukuthi mina what I try and achieve is for a student to never be the same. Yabona ngisho because ufika vele la ukwazi vele ukuyenza lo ufika ukwazi ukucula ufika ukwazi, but now uma ufika esikoleni no so ufuna ukukhombisa izinto ongakwazi ukuzenza ukuze uphume kule zone okuyona. As much as we are scared to saying you're scared of some of the things like social media and talking to people, mingling with others and so forth, so it's things that I'm trying by all means ukuthi student siphume kuleyo zone leyo sikwazi ukuthi yabo, because as a musician you need to understand nababukela nje emakhaya uma ubukele lento njengamanje you need to understand ukuthi uma musician you need to play nabanye abantu. As much as you are playing a certain instrument, but leyo instrument leyo needs to be accompanied by other instruments. Instruments with other instruments, I'm talking about other people, the rhythm section also now. Because now uzosebenza wedwa all the time ayikho into ozoyenza iphumelele kure ukuthi abantu umuntu asebenza yedwa bese into yaphumelela. So you need to have people, teamwork, uzokwazi ukuthi wakhe yabona umuntu nje wesifazana akwazi ukwenzalela ingane sakubona ngoje ngasekubona ngoMaria kuphela lokho uyabo, but igcineni kwakho konke you need someone else to form a family and so forth. Same thing with the music and instruments ain't good. Yeah, siyabonga ke so